Hi, welcome to Sevat recipe. Today I'm going to show you the easiest way of frying chicken. You just need the masalas. First I'm going to add ginger garlic, chili powder. If you want you can reduce your chili, turmeric, coriander, black pepper, chicken powder, garam masala, cinnamon, and I'm adding in corn flour. I'm adding in some salt. I'm adding in tamarind liquid to smoothen the spices and the meat. I'm adding in some olive oil here. So I'm going to leave these for half an hour, then I will fry them. Now I'm waiting for the oil to heat up. I'm going to put the chicken pieces one by one. Remember, first the chicken have to be high flame. Once you're done with the chicken placing, you need to put medium flame for that meat to cook from inside to outside. Keep on turning them. Now you can see the color is so beautiful, but I feel still need to cook a bit more, so I'm just turning it. You can see the bubbles are less now and the meat is well done, so I'm going to dish it out. If you like this recipe, please share and subscribe to Sevat recipes, and also click the bell icon to get your notification. Thank you so much.